Alright, new project in the house. As you can see, it's a smaller CRKT. It's been used and abused by the looks of it. So my plan is to revive this thing, make it come back to life, and use this as a secondary blade. So your main blade don't get damaged. You whip out this sucker, right? As you can see, it needs a lot of work. Let's go ahead and take her apart and figure out what we're going to do with it. Very crusty, look at that. Back spacer. Stuck on here. Try this one. Slowly coming out. I'm gonna have to lubricate this. Maybe I can get it up this way. Let's see. Slowly. Okay, yeah. There we go. Look at that detent. I see something wrong already. Yep, detent is gone. I'm going to see if I can replace that towards the end. Yeah. Oh, she's in really bad shape, I'll tell you that much. So let me go behind the scenes over here and think what we're going to do with this. What's the execution going to be? I'm happy with that. Blade's looking pretty good. Serrations are messed up. Not sure what I'm going to do. They ground off the serrations back here. That's a no-no. Only problem I see here is this liner lock here. The detent is totally gone. I'm going to see if I can tap it out and replace it. I think I have some here. So I have here various detents. You can see a little bit of damage down here. This may need to be drilled out. Just a slight bit. Let's see if I can get this detent ball out of here. Simple as that. Let's see. There's the old detent ball. Point's magnetic. You can see the damage on that thing. Right there's a flat spot. I definitely don't want that. Alright, here we go. So I just drilled out the hole. I used this little drill bit here with the tape so I can know how deep I can go. And tell you what, it's a lot better than when it was. However, there is still damage, but that can't be fixed unless I grind down, and I don't want to do that. This is just going to be a quick fix. This is a lot better than what it was. I'm happy with that. Also, the detent is looking really good. So between those two, it should be better than what it was. I'm going to let that soak in, PB blaster for about 10 minutes. Alright, assembly time. Now, which one was it? I think it was the long ones, right? Yeah, I think so. I'm going in. There we go. The other one. And pocket clip. I'm going to put a Loctite on these. I'll put a Loctite on the other ones that I did after. Just finished it up. Something real quick. Fix all kind of bugs and issues. As you saw, the detent was one of them. Glad I replaced the detent ball. Scuffed it up. Acid washed it. What else? Sharpened it. Resharpened it. The previous owner almost messed that up, but I kept it nicey nice. Razor sharp. Solid. That's it. On to the next project we go. Thanks for watching. Actually, you know what? I'll do a paper cut test. Even though it doesn't really show its true nature. This thing is crazy sharp. Yeah, here. Just for you guys, I'll cut some here. Don't like doing that too many times. There you have it.